So the trailer for Harmony Korine's upcoming movie Spring Breakers is a great sum up for the plot, for half the plot of the movie. But then, I mean, unless they want to keep it more subtle, I don't know if it's what they're going for. But for the last, or for the rest of the plot of the movie, the general plot that is, they don't do so great at telling you what that is. But that's just me. I don't know. Like I've seen the trailer multiple times because I really want to see this movie. It's for months and months. I'm just, I'm dying to see this movie, and I hope that I really like it. Like I don't think it's gonna be the greatest movie ever, but it just looks like a lot of fun. Like I feel like I'll have a good time watching it, and the fact that it's about people in my age group, and so that's even better and more perfect. And I think the director and the cast is really tight. I love James Franco. I think Selena, Vanessa, and Rachel are cool. I want to, and Ashley. What I meant to say is I need to see more of Rachel's movies. I don't know how many she has, but I saw her in Mr. Lonely. Harmony Korine, I really love kids, and I like Ken Park. Gummo was a really weird movie. I mean, that's the thing about Harmony Korine. What I love about him and Greg Araki is they make weird ass movies. I'm into that kind of stuff, but it really depends. Like I'm not into any kind of weird movie, but I usually like their style. So or either weird or outrageous, shall I say? Because kids isn't weird. It's just really like it seems so realistic and it's really in your face. It's just about these kids that smoke weed and have sex and drink all the time, and they're only like between 13 to 17, 18 at the most. So, um, so yeah, but with this movie though, the trailer, like and again the movie I really want to see. I'm gonna see the movie regardless, but the official trailer though, I feel like it runs like a cheetah, as in they show the movie in the clips of it for it too way too fast. Like it moves the story along nicely, but it just like it kind of to me it's kind of like you wanted to tell the trailer to slow down so that you get what's going on in the scenery at least, or so that you get at least a better, more visual, longer picture of what the movie's going to be instead of real quick and choppy. So. But yeah, so yeah, that's my kind of quick POV slash video for Spring Breakers. I want to see it. I hope it's awesome, and I think the actresses are gonna kill it, and I can't wait to see what Harmony Korine, does in the future. I want to see him do more movies kind of like this or in this style.